Right guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video we're going to be installing the gas coilers, or should I say the custom gas coilers, onto my Corsa B C20LET. So here they are. I actually bought them a while ago, but I've not actually had time to put them on. And also these were on order, so I mean these were custom made for my setup. So obviously when I purchased these from Gas brand new, well they are brand new, they actually asked like what my setup was: engine size, wheel setup, like faster, you know what I mean, they asked me everything so they can make these exactly for my car. So like the spring rate, I told them I had a 2-litre engine in it, so obviously the weight of that as well. Yeah, I mean these are made specifically for my setup. Now unfortunately we're only going to be able to install these ones onto the car in this video. Reason being is obviously, well, we have these rear ones which are beautiful. Now obviously I don't know if everyone knows this, but I have a Corsa C 1.8 axle here, which obviously has all been painted and powder coated. I'm in the process of getting bits for that. That's obviously going to be going on my Corsa B C20LET, but the bolts for obviously here on a Corsa B they're M12, and on a Corsa C they're M14. So obviously when I bought these, I had to tell them that eventually I would be getting a Corsa C 1.8 rear axle. So yeah, these are obviously made for an M14 bolt, so I actually can't put these on until that goes on. So I mean, yeah, honestly this axle is going to be amazing when it goes on. All been powder coated, got all these brand new parts going as well, the bushes, all the fitting kit, you know, brand new everything really. But you're probably wondering, why am I not just going to wait until the axle goes on and just put all of these on the car in a oneer? And that is because I'm just not happy with the coilovers on the front of that car. I don't know the brand, I think they're just like some well, they are eBay ones for a start. I mean, I didn't buy them, they came with the car when I got the car, if that makes sense. And yeah, they're absolutely rubbish. One of them's knackered as well, it's knocking like hell. So I want to get these on now because I'm thinking to Crail at the weekend or next weekend, and long journey, I want the car to drive in nice, and I'm going to get the alignment done too. I don't think I noticed, right, most of you who are watching are probably not subscribed, which is not ideal. So please guys, just subscribe. I'm nearly at 4,000 subscribers, which is brilliant. It doesn't cost you a penny and it helps me out a lot. Drop a wee comment below as well if you have any thoughts or questions. Give it a thumbs up. Let's crack on. God, I love old cars, isn't it? Right, time to swap over the top mounts. Top mount. Hold on, where's the bearing? Hold on, where's the bearing? Like, we got one bearing there. What the? Oh, right, that's interesting. So it's actually, so whoever put this on put it the wrong way around, I think. Right, I'm having to film this on my phone because my GoPro's died again. So basically this is the order it needs to go in. So you've got your gas coilover top mount there, whatever it's called, your original bit there. Unfortunately you can't use a roller bearing because it doesn't leave enough thread to put the nut on. So yeah, got the gas coilover bit, original bit, then your top mount, and then obviously your nut. So let's get this together. Right, that's one on, and I'm not gonna lie, that was a bit of a nightmare, and I don't know why. I think it's maybe because the hub was sitting so low, like trying to align them bolts up was an absolute nightmare. Never had that problem before, but could be the coilovers, could be something else. But as I said, I've not had this problem before, so I find that a bit suspicious. Right, on to the next side. Like, Like, not much brute force needed whatsoever. How weird is that? Right, that's us done. Everything's nice and tight. And I hope, I mean, everything's nice and solid. Because I noticed on the old coilovers, actually had a camber adjustment here. This one doesn't, so it's like there's no, so it's like one position, it's nice and solid, and yeah, less things to go wrong. But anyway, let's get it back down on the ground and see what kind of ride height we can play with. Right, let's put it down on the ground. Bear in mind, I'm not expecting it to sit pretty because I have no idea how low or high it is, but we'll see how we get on. Yeah, I think that's a bit low. I mean, that's going to scrape. I mean, I'm not being, oh, you can't, like, I'm not the stupid Gaylord felt spec, but I mean, yeah, that's going to touch, like, oh yeah, that's nice. As I said, I'll be able to get the rear lower when they get the other gas coilovers on, when the axle goes on, the 1.8 rear disc conversion, so bear that in mind, guys, because that's actually as low as I can go in the back. But yeah, really happy. Wheel alignment is done. Now, it's actually been a few days since I filmed that clip, and I just completely forgot, not at the time to just like finish off this video, but anyway, I've taken it for a drive and it drives so much better with the gas coilovers up front. Obviously, I explained at the start of the video, we don't have the rear ones on yet because of the axle situation, but yeah, after the alignment done, it's brilliant. Like, when you go in a corner, the front end just weights up perfectly. The steering response, sorry, is so much better. Honestly, that is like bang for buck, the best coilovers, honestly, ever. Like, so much people swear by these coilovers, you know. And for anyone that wondering, I paid about £600 for these coilovers, which is not bad considering the quality of them and all the rest of it. And they're kind of like custom made and all the rest of it. But anyway, and I was gonna do a video like taking the car for a drive, but unfortunately, there's some stuff drying on the car. Like, I had to like use some sealant on a couple of oil leaks that I just found, like where some sensors were, to put a bit of sealant on it and stuff like that. So yeah, that's just drying at the moment, so I can't actually drive the car. But anyway, so that's why I'm going to end this video here. Plus, I've been so busy today getting the Corsa B C20LET ready for Crail this weekend, so hopefully I'll see you guys there, depending when this video goes out. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I've got something in my eye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh man.